So let's talk about first possession. You're sitting on your porch and a dog comes up to you. Isn't that nice? Can you keep the dog? Okay, well, think about a number of scenarios. If the dog has a collar or a microchip, do you get to keep that dog? Probably not, right? Why? It's someone's dog. How do you know that? It's got a collar and a microchip. Remind me sometime to tell you the story when I thought my dog had something wrong with it because I was touching its shoulder, but it turns out it was its microchip that I paid to have installed. All right, 2, the dog shows up and it has matted hair and looks sick. Is that your dog all of a sudden? Well, you have a better claim in that situation because it looks like it's unowned. How do you know that? Because most people will clean their dog from time to time. The next situation, it's your neighbor's dog. Your neighbor's dog comes up to love you. Is it your dog? Well, no, you already said it's your neighbor's dog, right? Next, it's a rare breed that are notoriously expensive. You think to yourself, well, those don't exist in the wild, and so it's probably somebody's dog that got out. Next, it knows tricks. You say play dead, and it does this elaborate Marlon Brando type situation where it dies. You think, somebody has invested in this dog and trained it. I probably didn't get there first. Last situation, it has a sign on its collar that reads, I can no longer take care of Rufus. He's a very good boy. You think in that sort of situation, maybe he's now unowned because the owner of Rufus didn't have him anymore. Why am I running through these scenarios? Because possession is all about the information that you can glean from the property. And each one of them, when you find that dog or that dog comes up to you, you are going through an analysis in your head where you say, is it actually mine or did somebody get there first? And so you're already doing that kind of contextual property analysis that you're going to have to as you figure out whether or not possession creates an ownership interest.